Welcome! Today, we're taking a close look at the latest release from Insta360, the X5. If you're passionate about 360 videography, immersive content, or just appreciate cutting-edge camera gear, this is something you'll want to check out. The X5 builds on the success of the previous X3, which was already a favorite for its image stabilization, decent visuals, and user-friendly app. But it had its flaws like soft edges in footage, underwhelming low-light performance, and a battery that drained quickly under heavy use. The X5 addresses those issues and then some. Let's start with the visuals. The X5 now captures full 8K 360 video. That means clearer, sharper, more lifelike footage. Whether you're making VR content, social media clips, or behind-the-scenes videos, the quality is noticeably enhanced. The new sensor and lens setup also boosts color depth, contrast, and handles challenging lighting far better than before. Stabilization has also been taken to the next level. Insta360 has upgraded its gyro-based and software-driven stabilization system to make sure your footage stays smooth whether you're filming on a hike, snowboarding down a slope, or walking through the city. All this without needing a gimbal. One standout improvement is the stitching. Previous models sometimes left visible seams in your 360 footage, but the X5 uses smarter real-time processing to blend everything together more seamlessly. The result? More natural-looking, immersive video right out of the camera. Battery life is another area where the X5 shines. It's been redesigned to deliver longer shooting times even with features like GPS, Wi-Fi, and voice control turned on. That means less time worrying about your battery and more time capturing what matters. Speaking of voice control, yes, the X5 now supports it. You can start recording, snap photos, or switch modes just by speaking. It also offers built-in 360 live streaming to platforms like YouTube and Facebook, which is a huge plus for creators and vloggers who want to connect with their audiences in real time. Usability has gotten a big upgrade too. The redesigned interface is more intuitive, with a faster, more responsive touchscreen and streamlined menus. The companion mobile app also received a boost, with quicker file transfers, improved editing tools, and more advanced sharing options so you can shoot, edit, and upload using just your phone. Durability hasn't been overlooked either. The X5 sports a tougher build, enhanced waterproofing, and a rugged design, making it ideal for use in all kinds of environments from rainy days to dusty trails and underwater shoots. Now, let's talk about why 8K matters. In the 360 world, resolution is everything. A low-res image can look blurry or soft, especially in VR. With 8K, viewers get a crisp, immersive experience. Plus, creators get more flexibility in post-production, like extracting 4K traditional clips from a single 360 capture. Advanced features like high bitrate recording and support for pro-level color profiles give creators even more control for color grading and editing. Whether you're working on a passion project or commercial shoot, you'll appreciate the extra headroom. So, who's this camera for? Honestly, almost everyone. Adventurers, vloggers, real estate agents, VR filmmakers, and even casual users looking for high-quality content creation tools will find something to love here. It's packed with intelligent features, yet simple enough for beginners. And the X5 is built with the future in mind. Firmware updates, accessory support, and cloud integration mean it will only get better over time. Comparing it to the X3, the improvements in resolution, stabilization, stitching, GUI, and battery life are hard to ignore. If you already own an X3, the X5 is a solid upgrade. If you're new to 360 video, this is a great place to start. Bottom line, the Insta360 X5 isn't just an incremental upgrade, it's a meaningful evolution. It fixes past limitations while unlocking new creative possibilities. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just love experimenting with new tech, the X5 is a powerful companion for your storytelling journey. What are your thoughts? Thinking about making the switch or sticking with your current setup? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more gear reviews and creative tips. Thanks for tuning in, and keep capturing the world from every angle.